Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's session beta. Today we are going to continue same topic, algebra. Children, last class we learned about constant and variables, and also we learned how to use the variables in different branches while writing the rule. In today class, let us see algebraic expression. What is mean by algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is made up of signs and symbols. Made up of signs and symbols of algebra. These symbols include numbers and variables and the sign of operations plus, minus, into and division. They said algebraic expression is made up of signs and symbols. Here the signs nothing but they are taking these symbols plus, minus, into, division. Yes, signs are nothing but operations. Generally, what are the four fundamental operations we have? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here the algebraic expression is formed by these operations and symbols. The word symbols are nothing but what is meant by symbols? It includes numbers and variables. Signs nothing but these four operations. Symbols are nothing but constants and variables. I mean numbers and alphabets. Numbers and alphabets. Numbers are nothing but constants. Alphabets are nothing but variables. So simply we can say that algebraic expression is nothing but collection of constants and variables. I mean it is a collection of numbers and alphabets, and this collection is formed by the operations plus, minus, into, division. Let us see some example beta here. Yes. Let me write one algebraic expression. I am taking here 2y minus 3. It is collection of constants and variables. Here we can see the numbers 2, 3, and also we can see the alphabets y, and also we can see the operation signs minus. Yes. This algebraic expression is made up of numbers, variables and operations. Here the numbers are 2, 3, alphabet is y, symbol is, sign is minus. Collection of constants and variables which are formed by the operations. Let me take one more example. 3 into p. Even this also formed by constant and variable and operation. Which operation there? In between no operation we can say into beta. 3p we can write 3 into p also. 3 into p means 3p. Let me take here 7p minus 17. Even this also called one. It is called one algebraic expression which is formed by numbers, alphabets and operations. Let me take here half of x minus 13. Even this also formed by numbers, variables and operations. So these are the different algebraic expressions which are formed by numbers, alphabets and operations. Now we can see how the expression is going to form. If they gave expression, how we can write it in words? I mean, how can we write the statement? If they give statement, how can we express in expression? Let us see with the help of examples. Children, let's see here how to write the statement to the given expression and how to write the expression to the given statement. Let us see with the help of some examples. Here they give expression and ask you to write the suitable statement, how it is formed. We need to write the suitable statement here. And here they give some statements and asking to write the expression. Let us see one example here. 3x plus 2 is the expression. How can I write a statement for this? First, x is multiplied by 3 and 2 is added to the product. X is multiplied by 3. We can write it here. X is multiplied by 3. X is multiplied by 3 and 2 is added to the product. We can write here and 2 is added. 2 is added to the product. So like that we can write the statement. Here you can see x by 3. We can write here x is divided by the constant 3. Here beta, first we multiplied, y is multiplied by 2 and 7 is subtracted from the product. Y is, yes we can write here, y is multiplied by 2. Y is multiplied by 2 and 7 is subtracted. 7 is subtracted. Yes, 7 is subtracted from this product. 7 is subtracted from the product. I mean multiplication. So like that you can write the statement to the given expression. Now here we have some statements. Let us write the expression for the given statement. 12 is subtracted from x. From x, they subtracted how much? 12 it seems. Next we can go for one more. N is multiplied by 2. N is multiplied by 2 and 1 is subtracted from the product. They said n is multiplied by 2 and 1 is subtracted from the product. From this product we need to subtract 1 it seems. And n into 2 we can write 2n minus 1. Like this you can write the suitable expression to the given statement and suitable statement to the given expression. Children, let's see from exercise 11.3 second bit. Which expressions are only with numbers? Children, I told you already, the word expression is nothing but collection of terms. Expression, nothing but collection of terms which contains constants, variables, I mean numbers and alphabets along with operations. Let me repeat, expression means which contains, which is formed by constants, numbers, alphabets and operations like plus, minus, into, division. Here we have some operations and some of the operations are formed with only numbers and some of the operations are formed with numbers and alphabets. They are asking to write which are formed only with numbers. Identify which expressions are only with numbers. Here we have expression and there is no alphabet which contains only numbers. What we can write better here? Expression, yes, we can write here expression which contains only numbers. Expression which contains only numbers. There is no alphabets. Here we can see expression which contains numbers and alphabets. Yes, we can write here expression, yes, expression which contains numbers and alphabets. And even this also expression which contains both. Expression which contains numbers and alphabets. Numbers and, what is the number here? 3. Alphabet is X. Numbers and alphabets. So only this example we can see, it is the expression with only constants. Next you can see third bit. Identify the expression in following, identify the operations in the following expressions. Here we have 3 expressions, 1, 2, 3, asking which operations we used in that expression. Let me take the first expression 7m, and here 7m, in between no symbol, we can take into beta. So this is the expression forming by the operation what? Multiplication. Here we can see the operation which is multiplication. Here we can see into beta. And next we have minus 7m plus m. 7 into m. Here we can take into minus. It means minus 7 is the negative term. Here minus is not like operation. Minus 7 is negative term multiplied by m. So here we took the operation multiplication. We took the operation is multiplication, and also we took here addition. Multiplication and addition. And we have one more expression which is minus 7m minus 3. Here in between no symbol into beta here. So here we took the operation multiplication. This expression contains two terms. First term is found by multiplying, and next they subtracted. Next operation is and subtraction. Like that we can write the operations. Children, let's see some more examples how to write the expression to the given statement. Give expression for the following cases. This is fourth bit from exercise 11.3 beta. 7 is subtracted from minus m. So let us go for solution beta. Even let me explain. 7 is subtracted from minus m. From minus m. From minus m subtracted. What is subtracted? 7. So like this we can write. And next you can see one more g1. Minus p is divided by 5. Minus p is divided by 5. Next you can see one more beta h1. P is multiplied by minus 5. P is multiplied by minus 5. And this we can write. Constant write the first beta. Here no symbol plus. Plus into minus. Minus p into 5 we can write 5p. Minus 5p. P is multiplied by minus 5. Let's see some more. Now fifth bit. Give expression in the following cases. Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. Result is subtracted from and the result is subtracted from 16. So first we need to multiply. Y is multiplied by 5. Y into 5 and that result is subtracted from 16. So from 16 what we can subtract? From 16 what we can subtract beta? This result. What is the result? Y into 5, or we can write 16 minus 5y. 16 minus 5y. Y is multiplied by 5y. The result which is subtracted from 16. 5y is subtracted from 16. Next you can see one more d1. 5 times of y from which 3 is subtracted. 5 times of y, we can write 5 into y, from which what is subtracted? 3 is subtracted. And this we can write 5y minus 3. And next you can see one more. 11 is subtracted from 2n. From 2n, come from back onwards. From 2n, what we can subtract? 11 is subtracted. 11 is subtracted from 2n. So like that we can write the expression to the given statement. Children, let's see some more applications based on the variables. Sixth bit A we have here from 11.3. Form an expression using t and 4. Use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. See, by using this t and 4, we need to write the expressions. As many expressions you can write, so we can write. And they said use only one number operation, only one operation, plus or minus or into or division. You can take only one operation, and you know each expression must have t in it. Each expression must contain t. You can see with a solution. Let me write one expression here. Let me write t plus 4. One expression which contains t and I took only one operation plus. Let me take one more. T minus 4. only one operation, t is there in that. We can take t into 4, one operation t there. We can write t by 4. We took only one operation division which must contains t and it is formed by only 2 which are t and 4. Let me take 4 by t. 4 by t is also expression formed by only one operation which also contains t and we took only 2 numbers there. One is 4 constant and one is t variable. And more any possibilities beta? More we can write 4 minus t. 4 minus t is also expression which contains t in it and we took only one operation. More, that's all. We can write 4 plus t also, but 4 plus t equal t plus 4. We can write 4 into 12, so we can write 4 into t is equal to t into 4, both are equal. So these are the possibilities we can write. Next you can see it here. Form an expression, every expression must have y in it. Every expression must contain y. Use only 2 number operations. We can use this time 2 operations. This should be different and those two operations must be different it seems. So what they gave it here? Form an expression, every expression must have y in it. 1 minute. Here they said by using y to 7. Sorry, not repeat question. Using y comma 2 comma 7. By using those 3, he asked you to write the expression. Every expression must have y in it. So whatever the expressions are going to write, all the expressions must contain y, that alphabet. Use only 2 number operations. This time we can take 2 operations, plus minus into division like that. And these should be different operations. We can take it seems. Let's see better solution. Let's write here 7 into y plus 2. Yes, here I took 2 operations. It is one expression which also contains y and it is formed by only 3 letters 7y2. Like that you can write as many you want. I can write 2 into y minus 2. 2 into y minus 2. Expression formed by 2 operations which also contains y. Sorry, we'll take here 2y minus 7. Next I can write y by 7 minus 2. Here I took 2 operations, different operations, division and minus, and which also contains y. So like that we can write many operations. Hope this concept is clear to all. Today class we learn how to write the expression from the given statement and how we can write the statement when we know the expression. Hope this concept is clear to all. And from exercise 11.3, try to complete the remaining problems in classwork. Thank you once again. We will meet in the next class.